Hi there, this is Jada. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm so excited for the review I'm doing. I'm reviewing the WBCO Soap Brows product. So much hype around it and I was so excited to get my hands on it lately and try it myself and see if it lives up to the hype. And before we jump into the demo, please subscribe to my channel, like the video, and follow me on my Instagram page. And let's go ahead and get started.
Drink after drink, cause I'm pining over her. Yeah. But it only makes it 10 times worse.
Switching over to westbarnco.com website here, it shows you some tips and tricks on how to use their brow soap and an overall look of their product line. And when you scroll down, it will show you their product line in their kits. I will click over the Soap Brows Essentials. That's the one that I purchased. And it does retail for $38. And right on the top corner, you can choose to convert to other currencies as well. So I'm choosing here the Coconut Prep Mist. That's the one that I got. But they do have other scents as well, the watermelon and the peppermint. The brow kit comes with the new dual-ended angled brow brush, which is have a spoolie side and a flat side that kind of look like a tooth brush. That's really cool, makes the brow lamination effect really easy. I'll be showing you in a few seconds. And you do get 25 grams of the soap brows in the tin, and for the prep mist you do get 30 milli of product. Scrolling down, it does show you the key ingredients in the product in the soap brows. It does have glycerin, which keeps brows and skin soft and moisturized. Coconut butter moisturizes and conditions the brow hairs, keeping them strong and healthy. It also has sorbitol. It's a sugar alcohol derived from corn syrup that gives the ultimate styling power. On the right side, it shows you the full list of ingredients and all the details in the soap brows and each scent of the prep and hydrate mist. So I did get the bundle that have the brush and the spray with it. I got the coconut scent. So it's like a metal tin that have the product in it. It's so easy to open. It looks like this from the inside. And it is recommended to spray 1 or 2 spritz on the product and then create a paste with the brush. So 1, 2. I will use the flat side of the brush. I feel it's easier to get inside the tin. So I'll go ahead and create this paste. So I will work the product inside my brows and push it to the other side to make sure I coat everything. And just keep pushing it up like that. Wow. It just gives you this laminated effect right away. It's amazing. Because the flat side, it just pushes the brow hair with the product right into your skin. So it's like zero effort. Wow. It looks crazy right now, but I will let it settle for a little bit and then I'll go ahead and groom it with the spoolie side. So there's a big difference, as you can tell, between my right brow and my left brow that have nothing on it. It just major fluffy, feathery, model-esque brow. I'm living for this look. It's beautiful. I will do the same on my other brow. So when you first put it like that, it will look like as if you have white cast on your eyebrows. It's okay because it will dry and it will disappear. It will be clear in no time. And this is like my bad brow, so I'm giving it extra love and attention right now with the product to make sure it coats every hair in my eyebrow. And I'll push it like that up into the sides and then push it against my skin. And it is recommended to do this before doing your foundation or a tinted moisturizer, but I don't feel it's disrupting any of my makeup since I do have a little bit of foundation on my forehead right now. I don't see it moving or anything like that, so I'm glad that it doesn't mess up your existing makeup if you're doing this afterwards. And I just keep working the product, and I can see like it's starting, like the white cast disappearing right now. It's how crazy it makes the eyebrows look super full like that with your existing brows with no like brow product like a pencil or a pen or pomade. It's fascinating me. Wow, I'm so in love with it. So this one is already set in place, so I'll go ahead and groom it and just fluff it down a little bit. So I switch to the spoolie side. And as far as the scent of the product, I don't think it have anything. Yeah, it doesn't have any scent in it. It just, when you add the prep and hydrate spray in it, it gives this nice fresh coconut scent to it. But the soap itself, it doesn't have anything. So you can see now this one is a little bit like groomed down, but still have this feathery pushed up effect to the brow. And I'll go ahead and do the same on the other side. For the filling, I'll be using the Anastasia Beverly Hills in shade dark brown powder. And I'll take the light shade first and fill in right here. It works really nice with products on top. That's awesome. And I have a little bit of gap right here as well, so I'll fill that in. And I barely touch in the brow, just I'm pushing the product into it because I don't want to move anything that I've done. And this is the final look for the eyebrows after I filled them in with some powder. I'm loving it. And as far as the touch of it, it's very soft because it have this conditioning oils in it, so it doesn't make it crunchy or stiff or anything, which is absolutely amazing because I hate when I'm removing like a brow gel or something after a long day of makeup. I hate when it's so stiff and I feel it's gonna break off my eyebrows or it's gonna come off. I don't know, I don't like that feeling. I really like how it's so soft and have a very strong hold. My final thoughts, I love this product. This is definitely one of my favorite products I have used recently. I give it like 10 stars, not even 5, for real. I'm enjoying it, and it's all natural and vegan, so there's no going wrong with this product, for real. I love how my eyebrows came out. It just like super feathery, laminated, bushy, looking like a model. It's beautiful, and it doesn't require a lot of work. You just like put on the product, push it up if you need a little bit filling, and that's it. You don't need too much. And I'll be linking down in the description box the product link for you. So anyways, thank you so much for watching today's review. I hope you enjoyed it, and let me know in the comments below if you do have the product, if you like it, or how you use it differently from how I did. So please go ahead and share this in the comments, and thank you so much again, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.